Check out my channel for previous Tamil vowels lessons and worksheets so that it will be easy for you to follow me. Hello children! In this video, we will have Tamil vowels dictation to check how much you have learned the Tamil vowels till now. Go and take a paper, pencil or pen. I will dictate the Tamil vowels one by one. You write it. Okay? Are you ready? Number 1. Write E. I will repeat. Write E. Number 2. Write Oo. I will repeat. Write Oo. Number 3. Write A. I will repeat. Write A. Number 4. Write U. I will repeat. Write U. Number 5. Write A. I will repeat. Write A. Number 6. Write E. I will repeat. Write E. That's all. Ask your parent to correct the paper. If you have written all the letters correctly, very good, keep it up. If you have any mistakes, don't worry. Check out my channel for Tamil vowels lessons, learn well, download writing worksheets, practice well and come back to this video again. Parents, please watch my video and check whether they have written as per dictated. Please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Your encouragement is my motivation. Follow the Facebook page Tanglish for Kids for new video updates. Thank you.